lots of great books for story time at night.
And then a real phone.
It's not a phone.
No.
Yeah, so
You can combine it to
You shouldn't
one.
say.
One.
Tree.
Thanksgiving tree, yeah. Oh, so tree gives what? An
What's
hour.
that?
So this is actually my. Where are you going?
Huh?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Make a pretend phone for Ryan.
Let me take.
Okay, let's open it.
Look at an elephant.
Pet.
What else is in here, Ryan?
That one.
Ooh.
That's my favorite book.
The giving. The Ryan toy review.
Aww.
The
What is
gun.
this one? Oh. It's like a pen in the back of a phone. Aw, and a book, yeah. Good, huh? That's cool. Queen of. Oh, what does it taste like? A pig. I mean, because Ryan, this
Ice.
one is from. What it looks like here.
Couch 5.
Game Boy
Yeah.
is.
And it says.
What is that?
Oh, two the same ones?
No, different one. And then you.
What
that
is it?
one's not as exciting as that one. The first one.
Wait, for
Well, I
real?
got it for you
Yeah.
because you always listen to music, and I figured I could put music in there for you.
Aw.
Is it heavy, Ryan?
He's eating the weight.
Look at the title.
Yeah, I know.
What is it?
It's down.
They're playing a game.
Are you ready?
Open present time and see. Right, yeah.
Oh,
Mother.
that's
Good
right.
job.
What's next?
Alright, so they got
Between me or
anybody you want. Anybody you want.
Like you can
It says,
Oh, it's strawberry. That's interesting.
one more. Oh, it looks
Couch
like
5.
it looks like a Nintendo case or something on the back. Yeah, so this is what an iPod Touch.
So
Right,
you can
it's
listen
like a
to this
phone.
music.
Yeah.
Oh, you can play games too.
Side.
Daddy,
What is it?
Girls.
Yeah, it says happy birthday.
I
Cool.
already ate the weight.
Ryan is eating the weight. Lots of Dr. Seuss book. Alright, well happy birthday, sweetheart. He has like a phone.
Mommy has fun. Daddy has fun.
It's not quite into Pokemon right now, so that's why he's so excited.
Hey, no.
Oh, iPod Touch?
Oh wow!
No way.
I want to buy
Ryan on there too. On
Oh, so Lego, that's a car. You can combine. Alright, so this is the other cake. Oh, it looks super delicious on the inside. What's in the inside?
more fun.
It right now as we speak. He's charging it right now. So Ryan got an iPod Touch. He doesn't know what it is. That's why he looked. Jackie too. The cake. So they can. So Ryan is so.
Roblox with this cake.
Oh, it's a strawberry.
Black people gotta go home.
You haven't opened this.
Yay!
Green eggs and ham.
Good job.
Tenfold.
Oh, it looks like. Oh, that's why they're all shiny. Oh, and it has one of those exclusive. You can get the virtual items. Parker Runner Mega Power. Charging, you have to wait, and you can play with it tomorrow.
Oh,
okay?
that means it's charging?
Yeah. Yay! All the shiny.
Good.
Uh-oh. Turn it around.
Oh wow. And turning 6. That means he.
Are you my mama? Ooh.
check on the inside of the Roblox cake here.
You won't.
Runner, park hour runner.
I think
Oh, a Phantom Force Ghost here. That's so cool.
What's it doing?
It's charging.
Pull off my mask.
This is the coconut one, the Asian coconut one.
Oh.
Even when you don't even have a blue pellets.
Whoa, what does this mean?
Fish, red fish, blue fish.
Good job.
Good job.
About it. That's why he's still running around. Yeah, so there it is.
What? There's no trunk.
That's true.
Right here.
So we decided to wait to cut.
Box up all your
So,
Back to school.
get excited.
He's still excited. He's never seen one before. It is from Princess T. Let's see what, Ryan? Ooh! You're lifting up. That's so funny.
It's supposed to be Dad.
Alright, so that one there is from Uncle Steve and Aunt Jeff. Got it?
Okay, yeah.
Well, let's see what's inside. Whoa.
Now you can
Yeah!
with me.
That's so cool. Ryan, come back. Uh-oh. So excited. He's charging. Is it like green? Happy birthday, Ryan. You were asleep. Yeah, because I had an early bedtime. He's throwing at you.
Are you?
Happy birthday, dear Ryan.
Oh.
Whoa, Ryan.
The inside, I
It
engraved the
says
name
Ryan.
Please click on one of these.
You can see the name Ryan.
Is
in the
this
back.
real?
It's real.
Now I can rip.
This is a fake chunk. It's my mom's juice.
I love cookies.
What about
And
that?
what about you?
Oh,
We didn't even sing happy birthday yet.
Oh, you can take it back?
A bite.
A Marvel Adventure bite. It's a good time. Happy birthday to you. Yesterday the twins were asleep and we sang Happy Vampire.
Red ball.
Red ball, cool. Coconut. Love it. Love
Brownie.
it. Taste it. Oh.
Ah, that's
Oh, that's so cool.
Eating cake.
It's a pet.
A pet?
It's
A
like
little
a
bit
small iPad.
Confused.
Well, look at the back of it. Name.
It says Ryan.
Ryan. Oh, so this is his iPod Touch right there, Brownie. Are you sure?
You have chocolate. Yeah.
Are you gonna say thank you?
That's a good.
Blocks.
New Roblox character. They're cute.
Oh my goodness.
Celebrating their birthday together.
Rip it off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not fake, Ryan. You can use it tomorrow.
Oh.
We'll charge it today and we can use it tomorrow.
This way?
Yeah.
You got all the legendary.
Wow, legendary. You want Daddy to help you open it? Ryan is super.
Why
Look at
not?
Ryan. Wow.
Giant.
Oh, cool. Of the tree land. Wow. Oh, what you're doing?
Took me a while to find what Ryan was doing. New gadget.
Where'd this come from?
What?
I didn't know how to wrap it.
What is it?
So we had to wait and cut the cake another day because
Picture.
Welcome to. I want to buy.
Ryan. We can stick it back, and this thing says Ryan from Jackie, and it has eyes.
I know what it is.
We'll take a guess.
Swap
Swap
heads.
any two heads. Swap any two heads on the table.
He needs to learn how to ride a bike, right?
What training?
That's true.
Good.
Yeah, he's excited. He was just a little bit confused on what it is. Hey, Dad's birthday cake. So Grandpa and Ryan cake. They're celebrating them.
Yeah, it becomes that.
Oh, that's cool. Hey, can you read it? The title? Read the title.
One.
Mm-hmm.
Videos for Ryan to.
Oh, tomorrow.
It's like your phone.
Is that your excitement? Is that green tea or something?
It says something in coconut.
Oh, going around the kitchen.
Go slowly.
I'm poopy. 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 I am poopy. I'm 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 poopy.